I found this cute bee hand towel at the Dollar Tree, and I had this 12-inch embroidery hoop. I folded the towel in half and wrapped the embroidery hoop around it and made sure my material was nice and taut. And then I took my pinking shears and cut off the excess material. This towel says, "Be the bee, make the honey." So I had this chicken wire, and I cut 5 pieces, not really measuring, just roughly the same size. In my mind, I saw honeycombs. You are going to need pretty heavy-duty clippers for the wire, and you do have to be careful because they can be a little sharp when using it. I grabbed myself some jute and wrapped a hanger, and I added a bead, a wooden bead, to each string of jute. Now I made 3, I didn't really measure, but I made 3 longer strands and 2 shorter ones. And if you do this project, you just want to have them hang as far as, whatever is appealing to your eye. And then I glued with a hot glue gun my strands. I put 2 long ones on the end and 1 in the center, and then staggered the shorter ones in between. I found these little sticker bees at Hobby Lobby. They will be in the scrapbooking section, and watch for your 40% off. And I glued 4 of the bees randomly on my chicken wire, or in my mind, honeycomb. And there was a few little silver flowers left, and I put that on the 5th one. And then I took some yellow burlap and just glued it to the back, unmeasured, of each piece of chicken wire. I grabbed a few strands of the burlap and a plaid ribbon and just made a straight bow, very simple, and tied it to the top. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more tutorials, go over to YouTube. And for any paint products or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.